improving customer service through help desk software. Help desk have now become a core part of good business service and operation. The term itself is generally associated with the end-user support center. However, the fundamental role it plays on a company's service function is to bring multiple resources together to solve issues about the customer satisfaction. It is no longer limited to mean internal support within only the company, but also external support groups. In most companies, a help desk may consist of a single person with a phone number and a standard procedure of handling problems that come in. A help desk, for larger companies, is a group of experts using a software that helps track the status of problems as well as other special softwares that analyze the problem. It is a place for centralized help within an enterprise to help the users of their products and services. It becomes the center in where customers can call to place orders, track shipments, and get help with products. Help desk softwares are aimed to improve user productivity in whatever line of business you are in. It is a source that provides a fast deployment process to enable immediate, efficient, and ample IT support solution. There exists a wide range of software programs one can choose from depending on specific business needs. The most evident advantage of the use of a help desk software is increased customer satisfaction due to the reduction of customer downtime and support call numbers. It makes possible faster and more accurate responses to customers by solving new problems through proven solutions. It quickly identifies problem areas in products and services so that everyone knows exactly what is going on. Help desk management lies at the heart of any successful help desk solution. Most programs offer extensive information and a free download test. This would help the user company evaluate whether a specific program specifically meets their needs. A typical help desk software includes a consistent user interface from a web browser. This allows the user to easily navigate the entire software program. It also features the ability to assign a unique ID to each help desk inquiry. The creation and tracking of help desk problems by multiple staff personnel is made possible while related help desk issues appear when addressing specific functions. Reporting would include such items as track issues by product, model number, or versions while tracking support contracts, support times, and generating release notes. It also specifies the time spent per inquiry and per help desk personnel reports. Email, live chat, and automated phone follow-up contact is also possible. A call history information is formed when conversations between the help desk user and customer support are documented. Predefined scripts are usually integrated so that the same help desk support message is delivered regardless of the support person involved. The ability of a user company to adopt those programs into their own operation will be of their best advantage. It is best to avoid overly cumbersome programs which clutter the process. A well-defined and suitable help desk program should benefit your customer as well as your business.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.